next part, that is what is some basic concept of the chemistry, that we are just doing the preparation of this next, and the interaction between the matter and the particles. In the particles, whenever we are talking, student, that is living particles and non-living particles. It means we can say the study of matters and its property is called chemistry. Study of matter and its property. Okay. So what we are telling about that? This is one thing very important to understand. Like, what is the interaction of the matter and the particles? That is called chemistry. Fine. So I think it is clear. Interaction can be any type. So interaction between the matter and particles are either living or either non-living. So students, whenever I am talking about the particular chemistry, so the study of matter and its property, study of matters and its property is called chemistry. Okay. So that every time we are just telling to the friend, your chemistry is not good, or chemistry in this way. So second points, that is the basic points we are just discussing, students, that is what is the nature of matter. What is the nature of matter? So whenever I am talking about that, anything which has mass, anything which has mass and occupy space, that is called matter. Anything which has mass and occupying space, that is called matter. Okay. If you are going to see surroundings, everything around us, for example, like you are having this pencil, or you are having this book, you are having the pencil, air, water, and many things are there, living beings, that is composed of matter. So anything which has mass and the occupying space, that is called matter. Till here clear, Risika? Hello? 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 So that chemistry is the basic, whenever I am talking about the chemistry, the science of molecules and their transformation, it is the science not so much of the 100 element, students. So chemistry is the science of molecule. So what is that chemistry? Whenever I am talking about the chemistry, that is the science of molecules and their transformation, students. Means it is not talking about the 108 elements in the periodic table. It is just talking about that how these elements are reacting and what is the effect comes with the combination of the another element. Science not so much of that 100 elements, but of infinite variety of molecules that may be built from them. Got it? Got it, that chemistry? So whenever I am talking about that chemistry, so chemistry deal with composition, structure and property of matter. Okay? Hello? 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 Hello. Hello, Risika. Hello. Hello, Risika. Hello, Risika. Hello. Hello. On your videos. On your video. Ask to unmute. Tell me.
Sir, you're not audible. I'm
Ah,
trying to hear you, but it's piercing. Your voice is not coming here.
now it is coming. Sometime it is the problem of that network. So in that time you have
Still the same, sir.
so on your video, sit in that a proper network places where is having that no disturbance. On your video, so that it is just going to understand the expression also. So not audibles, it's we are seeing not hardly hear you. You please reconnect. Okay,
Sir,
fine.
not at audible. I can just
Now, now I am audible. Now I am audible.
yes, sir, now audible.
Okay, fine. On your video, video on. Every day you have to attempt the 5 or 10 question, so that it will be the practice, and you write the
Sir,
something.
again the same problem.
So what can I do for that? Now it is okay. Write in the chat. Write in the chat so that I can understand. Write in the chat. So if any problem, then write in chat. Now I think it is not appearing of the voice. Is I am audible? So fine. Okay. not an issue. Let us see. So whenever I am talking about that, screen is clear. Chemistry is a science of atom and molecules. Chemistry is called a science of atoms and molecules. So students, whenever I am talking about that, whenever I talk about the molecules or the atom, so that perceive these entities, so here we are just sharing you one thing. I hope that it will be good for understanding. So whenever I talk about nature of matter, so chemistry deal with the composition. Chemistry deal with the composition. So what is the composition? That word comes here. So what is composition? Composition. And second thing is that structure and property of matter. So that property of matter, composition, and that is structure. So chemistry deal with composition, structure, and the property of matter. Got it? So chemistry deal with the composition, structures, and the properties of matter. These aspects can be best described and understood in the term of basic constitutions of matter, student, that is the atoms and the molecules. That is atoms and molecule. I hope that you have understand that meaning. Means that chemistry playing an important role in our life. Without chemistry, that nothing is going to be solved. Here are some basic concept of the chemistry. The chemistry, the science of molecules and the transformation. Now the question comes here, okay, if the science not so much of the 108 elements, but infinite variety of molecule, students, means that is not a 108 elements which is in the periodic table. So it is the infinite variety of molecules. Infinite variety in the sense whatever the variety, whatever the molecules are present into the environment or the universe that may be built from them. If we talk about the space, if we talk about the land, if we talk about the air, atmosphere, all these are made up by the chemistry, that science, no. So it is a science of interaction of these elements. If these air particles are mixed with the liquid or either in the air is having that particles are going to be attached. So this is what happened that particulars, molecules may be built from them, and ultimately the new product is forming. Okay. So this is a particular chemistry. I hope that it is clear you regarding that chemistry. Now it is clear? Let us talk about the chemistry. Play the importance. What is the chemistry and why it is important? That is the question in our mind. But before going on this, we should understand about that, what the book is telling you. So chemistry play the central role in the science. It means that biology, physics, chemistry, there are so many different type of the branches also, not only these three. So chemistry play the important role, central role in the science. It means that all the science you keep in the surroundings and this science you keep in the center. So that is in the importance of the chemistry. So chemistry play the central role in the science and it is often intertwined with each other branch of the science. Means without science you cannot make medicine. Without science you cannot do anything. That's why we are telling to the people his chemistry is not good. So chemistry provides the method for the isolation of the life, saving drugs from the nature, source and make the possible synthesis of the such drugs. It means that whenever I talk about that, a medicine, chemistry provides the method for isolation. Chemistry has helped in a deal with the sum of the that pressing aspects of environment's degradation with a fair degree of success, students. So importance of the chemistry. Chemistry play the central role in the science, and it is often intertwined. So this is the basically importance of the chemistry. So whenever I am talking about particular nature of solid, so here you have seen that how this thermal motions of three types: the vibrational, rotational, and transitional. So to and fro motion across the mean position, no changes in the volume, no changes in the shape. Solid the particles, so only the vibrational motion. In solid, the attractive force overcome the thermal motion, and here rotational, whenever I talk about that, the substance that flow but volume remain constant, means that if you have taken a glass, so in the glass if you are filling the milk or the water, then what happen? Volumes are same, but the shape will change according to the container. It will change their shape. Liquid, so vibrational and rotational motion. Liquid, vibrational and rotational motion, they have fixed volume but not have the fixed shape. They take the shape of base of container, students. So this is the thermal motion of the three type. And translation, that translational, when the thermal motion completely overcome attractive force, no, and the particles move independently of each other, so their shape and the size or the shape and the volumes are not fixed. So mostly you have seen in the gases state take the shape and volume of the container in which it is the kept. So I hope that thermal motions are clear to you. And the nature of matter, that is a solid and liquid, condensed state, not the compressible. Gas and liquid fluids, they can flow. Okay. So this is important to understand. This is the nature of matter. One thing, students, you understand what is the solid and liquid. Why it is in the condensed state? It means that if you will compress that solid also, it is not compressible. If you will compress the liquid also, then it is not compressible. Gas and liquids are the fluid, that's why they can flow, but the solid cannot flow, right? But we can say the 5 state of matter, student, that is the Bose-Einstein, condensate, solid, liquid, gas, and the plasma. Plasma mostly you have seen in the star, higher temperature, fully ionized, and the Bose-Einstein condensate you have seen in the low temperature. So that 5 state of matter, we are telling that. So next time, students, will understand about the state of matter, okay. So I hope that it is clear.